Hey fellow Nevillers, I'm going to start sharing stories, success stories that is. This one is from chapter 10 from The Law and the Promise. This lady gains what she's looking for the easy way. Let's see how it's done. The following stories are concerned with the acquiring of seemingly little things, or toys as I call them, but they are important because of the clear imaginal images that created the toys. There's us a big fat hint. Clear imaginal images. The author of the first story is one of whom it is said she has everything. This is true. She has financial, social, and intellectual security. Lucky her. She writes, "As you know, through your teaching and through my practice of that teaching, I have completely changed myself and my life. 2 weeks ago, when you spoke of toys, I realized I had never used my imagination for the getting of things, and I decided it would be fun to try it. You told of a young woman who was given a hat by merely wearing that hat in her imagination. The last thing on earth I needed was a hat, but I wanted to test my imagination for this getting of things, so I selected a hat pictured in a fashion magazine. I cut the picture out and stuck it on the mirror of my dressing table. I studied the picture carefully. Then I shut my eyes and in my imagination I put that hat on my head and wore it as I walked out of the house. I did this just once. The following week I met some friends for luncheon and one of them was wearing the hat. Well, we all admired it. The very next day I received a parcel by special delivery messenger. The hat was in the parcel. The friend who had worn it the day before had sent the hat to me with a note saying she did not particularly care for the hat and didn't know why she had bought it in the first place. But for some reason she thought it would look well on me, and would I please accept it? GL. So there you go. Get yourself a magic hat. It was that simple. The lady found a hat in a magazine, put the picture on her dressing table. Literally, in her imaginal act, she put the hat on. Lo and behold, a few weeks later, the hat is on her head. Her friend gives it to her. So we can substitute the hat for anything we want. Let me know down in the comments what you've substituted the hat for, what picture you stuck on your dressing table and has magically appeared in your 3D reality. This is going to be fun. I'll be sharing many more stories from Neville's lectures and books. I love this. See you next time, guys. Bye.